At JM Lexus, we pride ourselves on excellence. All of our technicians are Lexus Certified and underwent extensive and rigorous training. As one of the only Lexus Certified collision centers in the United States, we are highly qualified to fix all makes and models. Our facility is equipped with the latest, state-of-the-art tools and equipment, and we work with all major insurance companies. We are committed to keeping your car looking like new, even when accidents happen. The satisfaction of our customers is our #1 priority, and you can rely on us to ensure that you get your vehicle back as quickly as possible. When it comes to quality and safety, not all parts were created equal. That's why we use genuine Lexus parts. So protect yourself and the value of your vehicle by avoiding imitation parts. We guarantee our work, which is why we offer a lifetime warranty on collision-related repairs. And to make sure you get where you need to be, we offer a courtesy shuttle and have luxury rentals on premise. It's our belief that anything short of an outstanding experience is unacceptable. So if you have the misfortune of an accident, the first call you should make is to 911, and the second is to JM Lexus. We'll take care of everything. Your vehicle, your choice, your collision center. Because at JM Lexus, the only one that matters is you.